In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay online shopping. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is open up either a web browser on your computer or your phone and go to www.afterpay.com. When you first arrive at the website, you will be asked to select your region, and you can also select your location by scrolling down and selecting the proper location if it isn't properly set up. Now, after you select your region or location, you will be redirected to this home screen. As you can see, they recommend that you download the app. However, you can sign up and start using Afterpay through this page if you would like to. You can select the How It Works button at the top left corner of the screen to get simple instructions to understand how Afterpay works. As you can see, you can buy anything you want now with the credit they offer you, and you have to pay over 6 weeks. Always interest-free when you pay it in 4 weeks. As you can see here, they describe the process and they still recommend you to download the app. Regardless of which option you choose, you can search anything you want to buy over here at the search bar at the top of the screen. You can look for Amazon, for example, and as you can see, a bunch of stores will pop up related to your search. You can see all the results by clicking See More Results, and then you can start scrolling down until you see anything you want to buy. Click on anything you wish to buy, and from here you can see the available items and how many payments you will have to make. Choose whichever item you want to buy, read through the info related to payments, and buy for yourself or a friend. And the quickest way to explain is that you can buy now and pay over 6 or 4 weeks. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay online shopping. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.